Good morning, everybody. Trey Campbell here, coming at you live, doing a recap video on what I've got going on today. $102 made. We had a couple of good trades there. $102. Let me do this really fast. $102 if you can't see that right there. And then it was all about AMRN today. I took a trade on Pandora, but it didn't pan out, and I'll show you everything right now. So we've got let me move this over here right fast. We're going to pull this up. So we had AMRN, orders, tickets, AMRN. This was a great trade here. Right off the open, so alright, so this market opens up, it's gapped up like 200%, right? And I see some fade potential for the day, and it has worked out that way. But what caught my eye was this candle right here. It's a rejection candle, actually off of this pre-market level. You know, these, I keep pointing these candles out. They are, you know, actually I posted a video yesterday or Friday where one didn't work out, but I take them, you know, I take them. It's all probability. So these candles are powerful and they work more than they don't, so I'm all about them. So basically took this bad boy short and only took 100 shares because my risk, I think I was in somewhere in here, my risk tolerance was 50 cents or so. So it was a 1-to-1. It was a 1-to-1, of course. Could have held it for a 2-to-1, but well, pretty close to a 2-to-1. I won't say a 2-to-1, but it would have been pretty dang close as this played out before we move back to the upside. So I mean, we did get from this area here, we did get 70, I think I was 68, 1068 short, or 67, and then we got all the way, yeah, flipping dollar. I got a 2-to-1. Just took 1-to-1 though, and that was trade number 1. So right off the open, this is actually opening candle here, and so followed it up, and then we got that rejection off that level. Beautiful. Jumped in 68, took it, boom, made 50 cents, 57 cents or so on that trade. And then we had jumped over, give me 1 second here, jumped over to this Pandora trade, and what I saw was, so on P here, I took just a penny, got $5 out of it, which won't even cover the commissions. But basically what I saw was, we come out of this level here. If you'll see there, we had this level here, and we broke through it. I came back up, we had this rejection here. I got in on this candle, but there was just no follow through. I was up, you know, 20-30 bucks at one point, and then it just came back. So once this candle started coming in, I just exited the trade with break even. I knew it was going to bounce. You know, it's either a break or it's going to bounce, and you know, in this case it bounced. So I bailed, and no big deal, didn't lose any money, so I'll take that as a winner. Then we had AMRN again. So this was a cool trade. This happened and I was almost long on this. I was waiting for, I'll be honest with you, I was waiting for this to break. Man, these candles were going nuts, and I was waiting for this to break up. Once we form this resistance here, I was waiting for it to break up and then retest it, and then I was going to nail the long. Okay, well, that didn't happen. It actually broke down, but I was still long biased, and the reason behind that is, if you'll look, although we've been trending down, and I've explained this in many videos before, when we're trending down, and we've been trending down, all of pre-market was trending down, all this was trending down. What I like to look for in a trending down market is for it to level out and then start doing this retracement deal, so you can get like a 50% retracement or so on this. And I'm not looking to capture all that, I'm just looking to capture just a little bit of it. So, and you can see right here, this is exactly what happened. And what I did is once this occurred, I waited for the bulls to take back over, because I knew we were going to try to test this area again, and the $10 area was huge, so we sit here and fought over $10 for a while. Once it held, I jumped in 500 shares at let's see here, $500 shares at 10.17. Here, so jumped in at 10.17 once we started pushing, and then I just jumped out at 27, I think, and that was a good option, because now we are now we sold off. But man, what a candle there. So I've been working all night, so I'm extremely tired. Just bear with me as I make it through this. But I am going to close the day. I'm officially done. With $102. So that brings the total account up to $14,227. Today's date is the 24th. Today is Monday, September 24th, 2018. Hope you guys had a good trading day, and I will see you tomorrow if we are still here and we are trading. So thank you for watching. Till tomorrow.